Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and today I come with very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about the ways by which we can achieve to our beloved Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna here mentioned in chapter number 12, devotional services, in which Lord Krishna here mentioned how to achieve me. Means what kind of this all path by which you can achieve to me, you can get a supreme abode of mind, which are stated by Lord Krishna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is written by Sri Bhaktivedanta Srila Mahaprabhupada from ISKCON temple. And I would have to say Srimad Bhagavad Gita is neither religious book nor spiritual book, but a true sense pure book of the science and humanity, and I am trying to propagate the humanity on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempted to commit suicide on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So let's get into how to achieve the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, Lord Sri Hari. So Sriman Narayan Narayan Hari Hari Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. This is the best way to achieve Lord Krishna. Let's come to know. Let's get into how to achieve Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna here says, "Etu sarvani karmani mahi sansaya matparah अन्येन नेव योगेन मा ध्यायन्त उपासते तेषां महा समृद्धता मृत्यु संसार सागरता मृत्यु संसार सागरता मृत्यु संसार सागरता मृत्यु संसार सागरता भवामी न चिरात्या पार्थ मया वेशित चेतसाम हियर दोज हु वर्शिप मी, जो मेरी पूजा करता है, जो मेरी आराधना करता है, जो मेरी भक्ति करता है, एंड गिविंग अप ऑल देयर एक्टिविटीज अनटू मी, जो हर एक एक्टिविटीज का फल है मुझे समर्पित करता है, एंड बीइंग डिवोटेड टू मी विदाउट डेविएशन, जो मेरा परम भक्त बनता है विदाउट एनी डेविएशन, जो कभी वो कभी भटकता नहीं, मेरी भक्ति में कभी भटकता नहीं, वो engage in the devotional service and always meditating upon me, always मेरे में हमेशा ध्यान लगाता है, and having a fixed their minds upon me, O son of Prutha, वो कौन थे? I am the chief deliverer from the ocean of the birth and death. मृत्यु संसार सागरत समृद्धता मृत्यु संसार सागरत, मैं उस व्यक्ति को मृत्यु के संसार में से उसको सिर्फ डिलीवर कर लूँगा, उसको मतलब कभी भी मौत नहीं आएगी, कभी बार जन्म नहीं लेना पड़ेगा, कभी मृत्यु नहीं आएगी उसको। मये वे मन आद्यस्थ मही बुद्धि निविशिष्य मध्य अत उद्धव न संशय। यहाँ पे लॉर्ड कृष्णा कहते जस्ट फिक्स योर माइंड अपॉन मी, द सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी गॉड हैड हियर स्टेटेड यू जस्ट फिक्स योर माइंड अपॉन मी, दिस इज द फर्स्ट वे टू अचीव लॉर्ड कृष्णा। फिक्स योर माइंड अपॉन मी and engage your all intelligence to me, thus you will live in me there is no doubt, without any doubt you will surely live in me, you will definitely situated with me, you just have to fix your mind and you just have to fix your intelligence upon me. This is stated by Lord Krishna. अथ चित्त समाधातु न सक्रोशी महि स्थिरम अभ्यास संयोगेन ततो मामिष्यासि तु धनंजय ए धनंजय पार्थ, my dear Arjuna, oh winner of wealth, if you can't fix your mind upon me without deviation, then follow the regulative principles of bhakti yoga. In this way, develop the desire to attain me or achieve me. Develop a desire to achieve me or attain me. This is the second way. First way to achieve Lord Krishna is fix your mind and intelligence upon me. If you fail to do so, then another way, you just have to follow the regulative principle of bhakti yoga. And however, if you fail to follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga. And if you are not able to, if you are not able to create a desire to achieve me, then what would you have to do? You just have to go for third way. अभ्यासये समर्थोऽपि मत्क परमो भवः मदत मे अपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धम अव्यापस्यसि. If you can't practice the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga, this is the third way. If you can't fix your mind, if you can't practice the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga, then just try to work for me. Because by working for me, you will come to the perfect stage. If you are able to work for me, then you will surely achieve the perfect stage. If, however, this one is a fourth way. Lord Krishna stated in first way, to achieve Lord Krishna, just fix your mind and intelligence. Another way, second way is to follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga and try to develop a desire to attain Lord Krishna. And third way is to work for Lord Krishna. And if, however, you are unable to work in the consciousness of me, in Krishna consciousness, however, you are not able to work in Krishna consciousness, then try to giving up all the result of work and try to be self-situated. This is a fourth way. Try to be self-situated. This is a fourth way. And if however you can't take this practice, then engage yourself in the cultivation of knowledge. ज्ञान योग की तरफ चले जाओ. And better than knowledge, however, is a meditation. And better than meditation is a renunciation of the fruit of the action. For by such a renunciation, one can attain the peace of mind. And one can surely achieve to me. These are the 5 ways to achieve Lord Krishna. First one is to fix your mind and intelligence upon me, then you will surely achieve to me. Another one is you just have to follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga and try to develop the desire to attain me. This is the second one. And third one is to work for me. If you are able to work for me, then you will surely achieve to me. Fourth one is to giving up all the activities and try to work in a renunciation. And fifth one is to cultivate the knowledge and try to be self-situated and try to be self-conscious. If you are self-conscious, then you will surely achieve to me. This is all about the 5 ways to achieve Lord Sri Hari Krishna, Lord Vasudev Krishna. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.